Hello guys, welcome to another video. Before I start talking about the product that I just purchased, I'd like to give a quick shout out to a fellow YouTuber, James at OnlineCarShow. I'm going to leave a link below, so please do stop by and check out his channel. He has a lot of good content there, and subscribe to his channel, of course. So now let me show you what I just purchased. It's a carbon fiber key cover for my Chevy Camaro. Before I put it on, let me show you what I have now. You've probably seen in a couple of my videos, I actually have a red key that I purchased a while ago, and it's a great cover, but unfortunately I carry a lot of other keys with it, and I carry it in my pocket, so it keeps banging around, and I have a bunch of scratches on it already. It's kind of starting to look a little bit beat up. So when I did see one of James' videos before, he started talking about a carbon fiber key cover, which is also, by the way, red. And you can get them in different colors, by the way. You can get them in red, white, or black. That's the ones, at least, that I was able to find. I'm sure that there's probably other colors. You may even be able to talk to the person that makes these to see if there's something custom that he potentially could make for you. But let me go ahead and get this thing removed and put the new cover on and show you what it looks like. So as you can see, as I told you, the little edges here and on the back, there's still already some scuffs and scratches on it, unfortunately. I really do like this cover, but it's just starting to get a little bit beat up. So let me go ahead and take this off and pop the new one on. So the cover is a snap-on, so basically just either put your nail and get like a small screwdriver in between and just take it apart, get the key out, put the cover to the side for now. Same idea as the new cover. Just take it apart, put the key back in, put it on, and it should snap right in place. That's it. You heard the snap. There it is. Really, that's all to it. Looks really sharp. It is real carbon fiber. Looks really nice. Hopefully, it will last a lot longer than the previous one. Again, there's nothing wrong with it other than the fact that the paint was scratching and peeling off in some areas. So that's really it, guys. Just wanted to show you my new key cover. It looks great, feels really nice as well. I'm going to leave the link for the cover where I purchased it below, so you can check it out. Alright, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.